Day 9 in the trial of Alec Murdaugh. The former South Carolina attorney is accused of killing his wife and son back in 2021. Prosecutors saying today his finances played a role in their murders.
The trial also took a different turn this morning. Our Taggart Houck has been following this, and he joins us in studio to break it all down. Tag?
Yeah, good evening to you both. And really much of the day was spent without jurors. The focus shifted to alleged financial crimes, which prosecutors say went hand in hand with the murders. Jurors in the trial of Alec Murdaugh learned Paul Murdaugh sent this Snapchat at 7:56 p.m. June 7th, roughly an hour before he and his mom Maggie were killed. You can see Alec Murdaugh wearing a blue shirt and pants. Different than his outfit in the interview after their murders. Jurors were excused a few minutes later as Judge Clifton Newman weighed whether evidence of Murdaugh's alleged financial crimes could be used in this case.
Looks to me like Alec's initials.
Without the jury, the CFO of Murdaugh's former law firm said she confronted him about more than $790,000 in missing fees the morning of the murders.
He assured me that the money was there and that he could get it.
It never was. She testified he pocketed much more.
That client didn't get one dime until y'all had to make it right.
That's right.
And that's similar to the rest of the examples we have.
It's exactly like the rest.
Been going on for years.
Yes.
Prosecutors say the jury needs to hear it.
All of this going on in his life, which is a stellar series of events like nothing ever seen, is certainly relevant for the jury to consider when they consider a perfect storm that was arriving for this man on June the 7th.
And as he just described, all the financial misdeeds or crimes that he wants to prove up, we're going to be here until end of February, I suspect, or March, because that's adding 2 weeks to this trial.
Yeah, we should note, we also heard from Chris Wilson, a lawyer who was Alec Murdaugh's best friend. He said that he sent $192,000 to Murdaugh with an understanding that Murdaugh would send it back. He testified that he never did. It is not clear if he too will be able to testify before the jury. Nigel.